In this video, I will be explaining all the benefits and multiple features the TravelTube mobile app offers. One of the main features is the T-Connect functionality, which lets travelers connect with other travelers around the world. Traveling solo doesn't have to mean being alone. Use TravelTube T-Connect to find fellow travelers heading to your destination on the TravelTube. Strike up a conversation, share tips, and create lasting memories together. On the TravelTube Explore map, you will see travelers who are currently traveling or have their travel mode turned on. To see other travelers, your travel mode must be activated so that other users can see that you are also traveling. To turn off the travel mode, go to the Settings tab and turn off your travel mode status. Once turned off, no user will see you on the map as traveling, and you will not be able to see other travelers on the map. Next feature is the TravelTube Alert and Alert notifications. There are 3 use cases of the alerts. Firstly, whenever you arrive at any major airport in the world, the TravelTube Alert will send you 2 separate notifications. The first notification will be a welcome message that also contains relevant information and a guide about that airport, such as where to buy a SIM card, the various transport options from the airport to your hotel, as well as the most recommended transportation to use and why. Finally, few reviews from other travelers about the airport. The second notification alert will contain a brief guide on tips like how to greet in the local language and other language tips. You will also have key cultural norms you should be aware of for that country and any current event in that country you should be aware of. Finally, you will also see common scams and tourist traps you should be aware of in that airport. You should know that you will receive all this relevant information and tips even with no internet connection. All you need to do is open the TravelTube app and make sure you have a SIM card in your phone. Secondly, a TravelTube alert will notify you each time you are about to enter certain areas in the city in other to help you travel safely. Such areas include tourist traps, crimes, red light districts, scams, and many more. The alert will guide you on exactly how to avoid being a victim of such. Thirdly, you will receive a notification whenever you are near a historical landmark or street. Once you tap on the notification, the story of the historical landmark will start playing as an MP3 audio. You can listen to the story just like any music in the background as you travel. To receive a Nearby Stories alert, you must go to the TravelTube app and click on the Nearby Stories button to load all nearby stories. The best part is that you can download stories for offline access, ensuring you never miss a hidden gem, even without an internet connection. Let's take a look at the TravelTube app's Emergency Center, a crucial feature for your safety while traveling. Imagine you're in an unfamiliar place and face an emergency. The Emergency Center provides 2 ways to get help. The first is an anonymous activation. Shake your phone smoothly 5 times. This discreet method is ideal if you're uncomfortable drawing attention. The TravelTube app automatically activates the emergency mode, dialing the local emergency services number and sharing your real-time location with the authorities, all without you needing to take your phone out or speak. For this to work seamlessly, ensure the TravelTube app has location permissions enabled and the app is running in the background. While the second method is a manual activation, if you prefer a more traditional method, simply navigate to the Emergency Center section within the app. Click the marked Activate button to connect with emergency services. Just like with the anonymous activation, the app will immediately dial local emergency services and share your real-time location. The TravelTube Emergency Center works even without an internet connection and in every country in the world. Remember, The TravelTube Emergency Center is here to provide peace of mind and ensure you can get help quickly in case of an emergency, no matter where you are in the world. The next museum features let you immerse yourself in art and history within the museum galleries. TravelTube's museum transforms your museum visits into enriching experiences. Imagine standing before a captivating exhibit, but lacking context. With the museum feature, that's a thing of the past. Simply search for the museum you're visiting within the app. TravelTube offers audio guides for museums and galleries worldwide. These high-quality audio guides, narrated by experts, bring museum exhibitions to life. Immerse yourself in the stories behind the art, from historical context to artistic techniques. Listen at your own pace, following the designated guide points throughout the museum. You can even download the audio guides for offline access, ensuring a seamless experience regardless of internet connectivity. TravelTube's museum feature fosters deeper art appreciation. Whether you're a seasoned museum goer or a curious first-timer, TravelTube empowers you to unlock the stories hidden within each exhibit.